Hello and welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. In addition to the gold losing its shine on the stronger US dollar that we have already mentioned in the previous news releases on InstAForex's TV, bearish sentiment took hold on the oil market. Black gold prices saw bouts of intense volatility following the latest release of crude inventories data provided by the American Petroleum Institute. Apart from that, the market has come under renewed pressure ahead of the weekly crude stockpile figures from the Energy Information Administration. The API report suggests that the U.S. crude oil reserves rose more than expected last week, showing a build of 8.796 million barrels from the 1.5 million recorded in the prior week. Analysts had projected a much more modest weekly gain of 2.7 million barrels. At present, traders are bracing for another closely watched release, as the official data issued by the EIA could provide more insight into oil reserves in the United States. According to the estimates, crude stockpiles are expected to add another 3 million barrels after an increase of 1.317 million barrels printed a week ago. There's also a chance that the actual numbers end up being much higher than the forecast. As these fears have now gripped the oil market, investors have taken a wait-and-see approach, which makes oil quotes particularly volatile today. On the London-based ICE Futures Europe exchange, Brent futures for May settlement edged lower by 2 cents, now trading around $41.44 per barrel. WTI crude oil dropped by 18 cents, landing at the level of $41.02 per barrel. In any case, economic experts say that the current market conditions are still challenging amid the ongoing supply glut. At the moment, U.S. crude stockpiles remain near an all-time high, above 520 million barrels. The U.S. oil industry is not the only one suffering from excessive supply growth. There's way too much oil out there in the global market. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries members, as well as some non-OPEC oil producers, are planning to attend a meeting in Doha, Qatar, to be held on April 17. The largest crude exporters will discuss a possible output freeze aimed at addressing the oil oversupply. However, most analysts believe that such measures would not bring much relief, saying that production cuts are not enough to fix the oil collapse. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.